So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to sync Shopify products to TikTok Shop. So the first thing you want to do is go to shopify.com. So your layout will look something like this. From here you can see home, orders, products, customers, marketing, discounts, content, marketing analytics, online store, ad, and settings. Go to add. Once you clicked on here, you will see some ads for applications, and you can go to the Shopify app store. So click on that. From here you can see some again of the featured apps on the store, but you will need to go ahead and put in TikTok and search for that. And from here you can see TikTok as a free to install app. You can also see TikTok Shop connector. So I suggest you open this. You can see it's built for Shopify. So this icon will mean that. So you can click on install. Once you do that, it's going to take you to this page back to here. And from here, you can actually export and advertise your products from the TikTok shop on your Shopify store as well. So you will basically have a connection between your TikTok shop with your Shopify store. So that's a way that you can connect the two just by going to the Shopify app store and searching for TikTok shop connector. So you can see someone already created an app just for this. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Shopify or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.